Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn a very important and very great story. Let's start. The most patient man. A long time ago, in the land of Syria, there lived a man. His name was Ayub or Job alayhi salam. He loved Allah very much, and Allah made him very wise, and He made him a very rich man. He was also a prophet. The Prophet Ayub alayhi salam had many fields. He had many sheep. His house was very big. There were many servants in the house. And his children were very good. The Prophet Ayub alayhi salam knew that everything came from Allah. He knew that Allah gave him fields, sheep, and money. He prayed to Allah, thanking Him for the gifts. The village people said, "It is easy for Ayub alayhi salam to love Allah. It is easy for him to pray every day. He is rich and he has a lot of money. We are poor. We don't have beautiful houses and fields." If Ayub alayhi salam were poor like us, he would never love Allah so much. He would not pray all the time. Allah wanted to show people that they were wrong. So He tested the Prophet Ayub alayhi salam. He wanted to show them that the Prophet Ayub alayhi salam would never stop loving him. So He put the Prophet Ayub alayhi salam to the test. One day, the Prophet Ayub alayhi salam's ship got lost. The next day, all the water in the fields and gardens dried up. The Prophet Ayub alayhi salam became poor. His family members died. The Prophet Ayub alayhi salam was left all alone. And then he got sick. The Prophet Ayub alayhi salam did not complain. He did not stop praying to Allah. He knew Allah would help him. He praised Allah, "I am overcome by distress, but you are the most merciful of all those that are merciful." Allah liked the Prophet Ayub alayhi salam's patience. He said to Ayub alayhi salam, "Strike your feet on the ground." And the spring gushed forth. Allah commanded the Prophet Ayub alayhi salam to have a bath with the spring water, and he will be healthy again. The Prophet Ayub alayhi salam became well again. Allah again gave him a big house. He gave him fields and sheep. He gave him many children. He made him even richer than before, because the Prophet Ayub alayhi salam had showed great patience throughout the worst of disaster. Allah not only rewarded him with great bounty in the hereafter, but redoubled his former prosperity in this world. He had a new family of 7 sons and 3 daughters. He lived to the ripe old age of 93 years and saw four generations. He became so rich that it was said that he was rained upon with locusts of gold. Thank you very much.